Okay, my helmet GoPro mount from Motomounts has arrived. Let's check it out. Some instructions. And a mount. Let's see what I get for my 45 bucks. There we go. Alcohol pad, a mount, and I guess one GoPro link. Should fit my helmet perfectly. Let's check it out. Okay, look at the instructions here. Awesome, little handwritten note there. What does it tell us? It tells us to dry fit the mount onto the helmet, make sure it fits, I guess, once we're happy with it. And then we use the alcohol pad, take the grease off, and then attach the mount. So let's have a little look. Here it is. Moto mounts. Looks like it's 3D printed. Seems fairly tough material. That's good. It's going to go on here. Make sure I get it up the right way. Doesn't say. So that's it, and it's looking pretty good. Right, here's the instructions. Don't know any of them. Nah, only kidding. Okay, what does it say? Righto, next step, alcoholic wipe. Just take all the grease off the helmet. So we get the best stick possible. Oh yeah, that's good. Don't be shy with this part. Once you've done this part, you don't want to touch that area again with your fingers at all. And put grease spots on. Looks pretty clean. That'll evaporate away. Gonna heat up the heat her all up, and that's going to help make the mount stick. So. Okay, mount's well heated up now. Moment of truth, we'll make sure we get it up perfect in the right spot. You only get one shot at this. So, looks pretty good. I'm presuming it's offset, I'm not sure why. But anyway. Just peel back the tape. Try not to touch it with your fingers. Ready to go. Looks good to me. Press down 3 minutes, they want you to hold it there. It's been 3 minutes, it's all cooled off. Should be nice and firm on there now. It says leave it 1 to 2 hours before you use it. I'm going to leave it overnight and just make sure she get a really good bond. But anyway, that's all there is to it. Pretty straightforward deal. And seems pretty good. Finished product.